Now, Madam Deputy Speaker, yesterday I met representatives of Balochistan, Sindh and the MQM party from Pakistan. They regaled to me the atrocities that have been committed against minority communities. Too horrible to describe. We give millions of pounds in aid to Pakistan, which appears to be diverted away from these communities that desperately need it. So could we have a statement from the Foreign Secretary or the Development Secretary to say what is going to be done to make sure that our aid that is desperately needed in Pakistan is concentrated on those areas that desperately need it, and that human rights will triumph here and make sure that that money is used effectively.
He raises some important issues about Pakistan, which he'll know from his very good attendance at these sessions, gets raised with me and other ministers regularly. The Minister for the Middle East has recently raised a number of these matters with the government in Pakistan, but I think it would make a very good topic for an update statement to the House, so I will ensure that ministers have heard that call today.